In this video, we're going to talk about very blurry background. So, how do you get this blurry background? Let's talk about that. There are many things you can do to make the bokeh more creamy. One of them is simply getting closer to your subject, like this. Do you notice it getting creamier? Another good thing to have is a lens with an aperture like 1.4, 1.8, somewhere around that. But having 1.4, 1.8 aperture doesn't mean that the camera is going to be working with that if it is a sunny day. For that, you would need to force the aperture down and you would use an ND filter. You see how much blur the background got? Alright, time out. Me and Eric are hiking. It's like February 24th, like 50 something degrees, almost no wind. You're sweating.
Yeah, it's warm. I had to take my jacket off.
Alright, let's keep going. What else can you do to increase more blurry? This is a full frame camera. Basically, the bigger the sensor, the more blur you will have in the background. Now this is a wide angle lens here, 24 millimeters. If you have something, let's say 75, 85, and the longer focal length, you will also have an increased blurry bokeh background. We're almost at the end of the trail. Eric, thank you for doing all the logistics, all the planning.
You're welcome. I was up until 4 in the morning doing all the calculations to make sure we don't go off trail.
Yeah, everything worked out great. Very long trail, and actually there are longer ones.
Yeah, there's one more left that we gotta do.
But that's next time when it gets warmer.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching. I'll leave the links for all the gear used in this video in the description. Check it out if you're interested. And we'll see you in the next one.
See you later.
Bye.